Is your Omega by Swatch MoonSwatch Chronograph not resetting to 0? Don't worry, it isn't broken. You can fix it in seconds. Pull the crown out to the first position. Press the upper pusher to align the 1/10 second hand at 2 o'clock to its 0 position. Then, press the lower pusher to align the central chronograph seconds hand to 12 o'clock. Now pull the crown out to the second position. Press the upper pusher to align the 60-minute hand at 10 o'clock with the 60-minute marker. Push the crown all the way back in. Start the chronograph, stop it, and reset it. Everything returns perfectly to 0.